This travel documentary takes you into the real nightlife of Japan after dark. What you're about to see is not a tourist highlight video. This is a raw night walk through real streets, real people, and real city nightlife. As the sun goes down, the atmosphere of this city begins to change. During the early hours of the night, the streets still feel calm. Shops are open, people are walking home, and the city seems relaxed. But this is only the beginning. In Japan, nightlife does not start all at once. It slowly builds, street by street, hour by hour. As night falls deeper, more people appear on the streets. Cafes, bars, and small venues start to fill up. This part of the city attracts locals, travelers, and night workers alike. What makes this nightlife unique is not just the lights, but the constant movement and unpredictability of the streets. Unlike daytime travel videos, this travel documentary focuses on what happens after dark. The mood changes, conversations become louder, music fills the air. In many Asian cities like Japan, nightlife is not hidden inside clubs only. It lives on the streets. Walking through these streets at night reveals a different side of the city. Some people come here to relax. Others come for entertainment, business, or simply curiosity. This mix of intentions is what creates the unique street life you see in this travel documentary. As midnight approaches, the city reaches its peak nightlife hours. The streets become busier, the energy becomes stronger. This is when Japan truly comes alive after dark. For many visitors, This side of the city is surprising because it feels completely different from daytime. After midnight, the atmosphere changes again. Some streets become quieter, while others grow even more intense. This travel documentary captures that raw transition, the moment when nightlife feels less polished and more real. There is no clear line between day and night culture. The city simply adapts. This is why walking the streets at night tells a more honest story than any guidebook ever could. Travel documentary content like this, feel free to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Let us know in the comments, what surprised you most about Japan at night?